Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to guide you how you can add your Google Workspace email to your Instantly account so that you can warm up your email and after that send cold emails or any other setup you have in Instantly. Okay, so let's go in Google Workspace, then go to manage users, and then here you have to select the user that you want to add to your Instantly account. I have so many, but in your case you might don't have this much. You can choose the user that you want to add to Instantly account. In my case, I want to add this account. Let's open it. So your user must be ready within your Google Workspace admin. Okay, so you can log into your Google Workspace at admin.google.com and then choose your account that is associated with your Google Workspace. After that, once your user is ready, then you have to log into this Gmail. I am logged in here. You have to go to google.com, then add new account, and then use the credentials that you have for your user in Google Workspace. Next, once you are logged in, then you have to go to manage settings. Before going to manage settings, let's see what we have in Instantly. To add your Gmail to Instantly, you have to click on add new. I have already added. In your case, maybe you have no account, so you will be adding it for the first time, and then you can click at add new. Then here you see a couple of options. But we are not going to go with these two options. We will choose this one. If you are using Google Workspace, then you have to choose this Gmail or G Suite. If you have Microsoft 365 or any other email like IMAP or SMTP, then you can choose this one. I am going with Gmail, and here again you see two options. Let's explore both of them. The first option is auth and another option is app password. I will guide you how you can add with both these options. So first of all, let's see option one. Once you will click on it, then you see the guide. You have to copy this link. You can copy and then go to your Google Workspace. You can directly paste here. If you are logged in, then you will be landed on this page. If you are not logged in, then it will ask you to log into your Google Workspace. You can choose the account that is associated to your Google Workspace that says configure new app. Click on it, and here you can see it says search for app. You have to copy this address, use the following client ID, copy, then paste here, then search. Then here you can see you have to click on it, and then it asks you the scope. We can keep it in our account, and then continue, and then it is asking for the access. We are adding it, so it is trusted. Then you have to click on continue, then again finish. I have already added this, so you can see it appears here and you don't see a new entry, and now you have to go to login and then log in with the Gmail account that you want to add. Here you can see I am already logged into the account that I want to use, but in your case, if you are not logged in, then you can use another one. Let's recheck it. This is the user I am going to add. Okay, so it is confirmed. Then log in with it, and then again continue, then allow. And here you can see once you are logged in, it says connecting account. If you don't redirect to the Instantly add account page, then you have to go back, and then let's see if it has been added or not. So here you can see it has been added. Okay, so now let's see how we can add with the second method, that is app password. So here you see the steps. First of all, let me choose the username that I want to use for it. In this case, I have another user, so let's use it. In your Google Workspace, first of all, you have to log into your user that you want to use to add to Instantly. In my case, I have this one. Let's go to add new account. Add your here, put your password, and then click on next. Here it welcomes you to your account. No thanks. Once you are logged in, then here we see the steps. We have to go to our Google account security setting. Here you can see go to security. We have to enable two-step verification and then create an app password. So here we see we have to enable two-step verification. To enable two-step verification, we need to add our phone number. I am not going to add my phone number. I will use Google Authenticator. So to add my Google Authenticator, let's click on it. Then set up Authenticator, and let me scan this code. Once you scan code, then you have to click on next and then add the code and then enter the code that you see in your Authenticator app. Once you add your Authenticator app, then you see turn on two-step verification. You can click on it, turn on, then turn on two-step verification. Done. Once the two-step verification is turned on, then here you don't see an app password. Let's refresh, and now you can see here app password. You can click on it, and now here you can give any name that you want. I am going to call it instantly, then create an app and then copy this code, as we are going to need this code. Once you complete these steps for the account you want to add to instantly, click on next, and then here you have to add the app password. I copied it. You have to add without spaces, and this is my account that I want to use. Then here you can give your first and last name and then click on connect. Here you can see the success message connected. It will redirect to your instantly page, but if in case it don't, then you can go back and then here you can confirm if it has been connected or not. So here we can see it has been connected. So now in this video you learned that how you can connect your Google Workspace Gmail to your Instantly account. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, as it helps greatly, and I will keep bringing such useful content for you.